Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. That was intense. Thankfully, the car made it to the water just in time before the wheel fire spread. It looked like something straight out of an action movie. The tree is trimmed into a rounded shape, while the shrub beneath it is shaped into a neat cylinder. Curious what razor-sharp perfection looks like? This is it. The blade now glides through anything like it's slicing air. Tending to cypress trees is a challenging and demanding task. Let's be real, there's nothing cooler than fireworks exploding right in front of you, lighting up the whole street in every imaginable color. You're standing on your balcony, tea in hand, watching your own private fireworks show. A dream come true. The precision of his work is simply mesmerizing. Don't you think it's one of those moments you could watch endlessly? Pure craftsmanship in action. If you're really craving greenery in your life, why not just paint it? Not even joking. When a bowling ball turns out to be a pear in disguise. It's like magic. Watch how effortlessly the fabric smooths out. This street chef doesn't just cook, he performs. The process is so mouth-watering, you'll wish you were there tasting it yourself. Noticing such delicate painting without a magnifying glass is a challenge, yet the master handles it with remarkable ease. His hand seems perfectly steady, and each line falls into place effortlessly, transforming a simple object into a piece of art. Looking to coat a surface in a smooth, even layer instead of creating a chaotic mess. This tool delivers with such precision that even the most meticulous perfectionists can finally relax. Looking for a stylish facade without the stress or high cost? Just watch how effortlessly and cleanly it can be done. The end result looks like it came straight from a home design magazine. Marinate the wings, coat them just right, fry them golden. Don't forget the fries. That's what we call a proper feast. Meet the king of fruit slicing. Swift, sharp, and effortlessly precise. Honestly, it's hard to believe anyone could top that, unless you count some high-tech slicing robot with no soul. The worker expertly smooths the wall with mortar, achieving a perfectly even and flawless surface. Who knew you could turn everyday items into real works of art? It's all about imagination. With a little creativity, even the simplest things can become something unique and beautiful. Got a crack in your car's leather seat? Don't stress. There's a simple and reliable fix you can do yourself. A little effort and your interior will look as good as new. Looking for a one-of-a-kind tattoo? Check out this artist's work. His designs are bursting with originality, a top choice for anyone craving something truly unique. Watch as a simple knife and a creative mind turn an ordinary fruit into an eye-catching piece of art. It's incredibly captivating. You won't be able to look away. Want a floor painting hack that's both quick and impressive? With this trick, you'll look like a seasoned pro in no time. One dump truck gets filled, and the next rolls in seamlessly. This mechanical duo operates with perfect timing, like a well-rehearsed routine. Thinking about giving your car a makeover? A vibrant wrap can work wonders, but beware, it's a task that demands patience, precision, and a steady hand. The payoff? A showstopper on wheels. taste of the holidays, festive flavors that bring the New Year spirit alive. The wood cutting was a success, clean, precise, and efficient. It's not just eye candy, this dish tastes as amazing as it looks. Got an air bubble under a decal? A soft scraper or plastic spatula is your best bet. It'll push the air out smoothly without damaging the surface. This shoe painting technique is something else. I never imagined it could be done this way, and the end result is mesmerizing, like watching a color explosion in slow motion. This guy's got some serious magic in his hands. The right tool can turn even the trickiest task into something quick and easy. Watching the creation of something both beautiful and tasty is the kind of thing you could get lost in for hours.